Hey folks, Sarah here. Let's do our taxes on ChatGPT. I'm just kidding. We're not actually going to do our taxes on ChatGPT, but we are going to talk about extensions. It is coming up on the tax deadline. By the time I send this out and you get it, it's probably going to be really close to April 15th, which is a Tuesday. And you should either have filed your taxes and paid your taxes or extended your taxes. So, we're going to do a little bit of ChatGPT. The first thing I want to tell you is if you have not filed your taxes, please file an extension and let's use ChatGPT to ask how. How do I file a tax extension? It's free. You can ask your tax preparer to do it. If you have a tax preparer that you've kind of always used and you have not filed your taxes, they have probably already done it for you, hopefully. You can do it on like TurboTax. You can fill out this little form on the IRS website. If you don't have a tax preparer, it's probably TurboTax is going to be your choice. But this doesn't cost anything. However, if you owe taxes, you do not actually get an extension of time to pay. It's just an extension of time to file, not to pay. So you should have gotten a decent estimate from your tax preparer or done one yourself if you are going to file an extension. Now, if you expect to get money back, you don't need to make a payment right now. But just know that if you do owe money and you don't pay it by April 15th, you will get penalties and interest, which is like 7 or 8% a year. It's not terrible. So if you're having cash flow issues, you can kind of just weigh the pros and cons or ask us or your tax preparer to help out. All right, with that, I do want to tell you that there's not really any downsides to filing an extension. That said, it is very, very common, especially if you are a small business owner or have even a side hustle or rental properties or kind of anything complicated. So go ahead and do it. Good luck.